Hello. Have you come across people who have motivated you, inspired you, who have shown the positive side of things, who have shown you possibilities? I'm sure you must have met many such people. How did you feel in their presence? You must have felt good not only about yourself but life situations also. The question is, would you like to become similar ambassador of positivity? And in this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas which will help you to become an ambassador of positivity. First one is, whenever you're facing a challenging situation, always be in control of yourself, be in charge of yourself. Because any challenging situation is likely to create panic, and panic worsens the whole situation rather than making it better. And what is the best way to remain in charge in any kind of such situation is take deep breaths. Your breathing will help you to remain in charge of yourself, and then you can become in charge of the situation. That is how you will show to others how you can keep your poise and calm in any kind of situation which is challenging. Second important thing that you can do is, most of us come across quotations on a daily basis. Quotations, those positive statements which inspire us. What I'm suggesting is, make it a practice that every morning pick up one quotation, go through that, understand it fully, and put that into action. Quotations are not only meant to be quoted, quotations are meant to put that into our lives. So start taking action on any quotation that you come across and see how over a period of time it brings a lot of positivity within yourself, and then you start spreading it. Third important thing is, stay away from negativity. Let me ask you this as a question. Is there a lot of negativity in our environment? I'm sure you will agree that the answer is yes. There is a lot of negativity starting from media, maybe some people who are toxic in nature. Now, what I'm suggesting here is, can you start staying away from such situations? As you stay away from negativity, you have less of negativity going into your mind. You have less negativity to process inside your head and throw out whatever is not functional. But instead, you will be able to fill yourself with positivity, and that's how you will start spreading it even more. Next one is, turn downs into ups. What do I mean by that is, in our life, we all go through cyclical phases. There are ups, there are downs. And whenever you are going down, turn them into ups. Find an opportunity within them, because one of the first opportunities within them is, there is a lesson that you need to learn from that, so that it does not repeat and it does not bring you to similar situation again. So turn every down into up by learning and taking action which can help you to convert that into a growth path. Next one is, make mistakes and fail. Now this is something very powerful. In any set of actions that we take towards achieving any goal, mistakes do happen. They are a part of our journey. But the question is, when you make mistakes and fail, what do you do? Do you learn your lessons, or do you get stuck with those mistakes and treat your failure as final? If you are learning lessons from them and rising up from those failures, obviously you become a messenger who is saying to the world that no failure is final, because some more action is possible even after failing. Next thought that I'm sharing is, live your life. And when I'm saying live your life, I'm asking you, I'm saying to you, you know best as to what do you mean by living a life of quality. You know it best, because do not get dictated by the world as to what is the meaning of living your life. You decide what your life is meant to be and start living it. Don't go by the diktats of the world. Don't go by the opinions of others, because it's not going to help. It's their perspective and not yours. Whether it will work for you or not, it's not sure. And the last thought that I'm sharing here is, take very good care of yourself. That's the utmost message that I want to give. take very good care of yourself on all the fronts in terms of your physical health, emotional health, mental health. Take very good care of yourself, and as you take good care of yourself, obviously the message that you'll pass on to the world is that you also need to take care of yourself, and by doing so you can accomplish whatever you want to accomplish. So become a messenger of positivity, following some of the thoughts that I've shared, and I'll meet you in my next video.